I'm Elizabeth Stafford. I'm a realtor and a broker here at Coldwell Banker Tomlinson. It's going to be hot again this weekend, but the good news is all of our open houses are air conditioned. Come by this weekend and check some out. Who knows? You might even fall in love with one of them. Hope to see you there. Okay, you rolling? I'm sure. Okay.
First take, ready?
I don't care if my hair's a little funky. It's always a little funky. There you go. You're welcome. And a realtor, and no, see, there it is.
Yes!
Yay! See, if I do it in more than one take, I screwed up. Okay. But you wanted to be animated, so I was going to be like, boom, 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 boom. And just point everywhere. Woo!